Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, looks like things are going back towards normal. Temperature has come down to single digit, although it's very cold, but still it's nothing like before. During polar vortex, when we had like feels like even -30, I can't imagine last few weeks how we had spent here in Canada. But because temperature has gone into positive, there's so much of mess. You see this melting ice, no? A lot of mess I have. So again, like, you still have to maintain good environment. I mean, you have to maintain the security of the place that you own, be considering sidewalk and all. A lot of people haven't cleared their sidewalk. I don't know why, but I have cleaned, as you can see. And also I have to make this place better. I would so see guys, now because it's ice is melting, so what you need to do, I don't have that tool, it's called ice scraper. That is good for this condition, but I don't have it. But yeah, I must. Do you see how much damage it has done? See, even concrete you see here, because of extreme cold, I see too much of damage here. Oh my god, shit. I will need to spend some money to fix it. This year it was unbearably cold. I can understand in -30 for so long. Ice, you know, even concrete has broken down. You want to see more impact? I would show cracks have widened at some places. See, there used to be a crack here which I had filled, but again it has come. I have to fill it again. And see, you see it's going down one side because of the underground level change, because of too much of water. And if you have downspout area, it's very common to see something like this. Please follow me. And it's very important that you clean these areas, because these are going to be highly slippery. So yeah, I would recommend to get an ice scraper if you're a homeowner that will break ice like this. Otherwise, if you have a shovel like this with the metal end, that also you can use, but if the cement is not as good as a ice scraper would do. So hopefully we'll see better days going forward, but still I have to clean a lot of mess that I'm gonna do now. And this complete damage, oh my god, I did not want to see this, but it is there. Anyway, once weather improves, I'll make a video about how to go and fix this. So thanks for watching this video guys, and please subscribe to the channel.